Modern machine tools are required to operate at constantly increasing speeds with greater axial drive accelerations. This places increasing demands on the ball screw in terms of maximum speeds, stiffness, and reliability when operating at maximum thrust. For such cases, Steinmeyer has developed its Series 34 and 35 screws with multiple threads and a nut especially designed for high-speed machines. We can deliver these series with either a single or pitch offset preloaded nut. The nuts used in our Series 34 and 35 have our external ball recirculation feature. The two-piece ball deflectors are precision milled and are geometrically designed to accommodate high operating speeds. In this way, a high maximum speed, low noise operation and long service life can be achieved. Each nut has two closed ball circuits, one for each thread of the double start nut. The nut design in Series 35 achieves two-point contact preload with offset pitch, as in the case of a double nut or pitch shift nut. This nut has, however, a greater degree of stiffness due to the use of both threads, and therefore a considerably shorter load path than a conventional pitch shift nut or even a two-piece nut. This has a positive effect on both acceleration rates and noise levels. In the case of the nuts in our Series 34, which are not offset, the preload is achieved in the same way as with conventional ball nuts, using oversized balls. As this type of nut is also produced double-threaded, double the amount of bearing channels achieve a considerably greater load capacity and degree of stiffness in comparison with a conventional single nut. Due to their consistency and design for high speeds and acceleration, ball screws in our Series 34 and 35 are suitable for DN values of up to 160,000. Taking the example of a screw with a nominal diameter of 40 millimeters, a maximum speed of 4,000 RPM can be achieved. With the corresponding surrounding structure, it is also possible to reach accelerations of 1G and greater. Our product range is orientated towards the highest current demands of the machine tool industry. Just one example is that lead over diameter ratios between 0.7 and 0.8 are seen as the optimum for high-speed cutting machines. Steinmeyer responds to this by offering leads in this range in smaller than normal increments. This allows machine designers to tailor axis drives to meet the most demanding expectations in terms of rapid traverse velocity and acceleration.